Today, I will teach you how to lock your Facebook profile. First, download and install Facebook Lite on Google Play. Once it's done, log in your Facebook account. Click the three lines on the upper right corner. Scroll and click the language at the bottom. Choose the seventh language starting at the bottom of the choices. Next, go to your profile. Click the three dotted button below your name. Then, click the fifth choice given. Click the blue button and ta-da! It's finally locked. You may now change the language on your Facebook Lite. Reload your Facebook Lite a couple of times and check your profile again by clicking the three dotted button. Once it shows you, unlock profile, you're doing a great job. I want you to be my assistant, very fast learner. LOL. You may have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes before checking your account again. And as soon as you see that you locked your profile sign, you're finally done. Congratulations! You may also have to wait for a week in order for your action to be effective on any browser, web, phone or app. Patience is a virtue, trust me on this one. Hey, by locking your Facebook account, you can't post a public post on your profile anymore. Expect everything on your timeline to be exclusive within your Facebook friends only. But you can always have the choice to unlock it by following the same steps. That's all for today. If you have questions, feel free to comment it below. I hope this helps. Want me to edit a video for you? Your request is my command. Comment now. This is Susan, Erica Ross Human Dinosaur, now signing off. Bye-bye.